Hey guys, I arrived at Dafu Harbor. There are drinking fountain inside this building, and their restroom. Oh, the restroom's there. Yeah. And you can camp on the top of this temple. I don't recommend because it's right next to the road and there will be a motorcycle comes goes by. So I wouldn't camp there, but it's really convenient spot if you want to. See that gazebo over there? Looks like a nice campsite if it does not have table. I'm not sure it has table or not. But this spot can be a great and quiet campsite. I'm now at Shanfu Temple. It's called Guide to Bio Temple Bamboo Ecological Pound. It would be so nice to camp here, except still the scooter is right next by. Without the motorcycle, it's so peaceful. Go in there and take a look. I just brought so much breakfast at the famous breakfast store. Right now I'm at liuqiu liuqiu Elementary School. That's a damn huge school. Facilities are nice.
这个是土地公，
嘿嘿嘿，
庙，你没有看过这么大土地公庙？
没有哎，我还以为是小小的。
什么万年宫就是。
哦，谢谢。
不会。
So guys, I met a real nice local girl, and she gave me a ride directly to Shanfu Harbor. Otherwise, I will walk an hour to here. Very much thanks to her. I'm going down to the water right now, and see you guys later. So I'm right now right next by the building of Shanfu Harbor, and you can see this empty facility of building. Seems like a nice place to camp. I'm not sure can people be able to camp here because it got chairs and table and even electricity, and the most important thing is the restroom. The restroom is probably not the most important thing, but fresh water is the most important thing. And I'm going to get myself ready to get down there. Here I come, guys. It's pretty. It's very pretty here because the sand is white, not pure white, but close to white, and the beaches looks very crystal clear. I mean the water, not the beaches. Although the beach side is very small, but it's okay. like freaking, oh my god, I saw a huge sea turtle again. A huge sea turtle. It just at my right hand side, I just like turned my head and I suddenly saw him. So big. It kind of freaks me out a little bit, and I was super close. So thank God I did catch him, like real nicely with 4K. But I didn't have any chance to swim with him longer. I wish I do, but it swam into the harbor where the ships are. That I am kind of forbidden to go down there. The big turtle is inside here somewhere else. But too bad. Cannot go find him. So I have to get up now. Hey guys, so I had a real nice experience down there. The water is very enjoyable. The beach side is great. It was very narrow, like I said, but I at least had got down there enough for a long time. I saw a huge sea turtle, a huge one. Like I saw yesterday, very easily you can encounter to a sea turtle. So it's real nice here. Shanfu Harbor, remember? Shanfu. I was just eating my lunch at this temple after my snorkeling at the Shanfu Harbor, and I met a group of people and I was chatting with them, and they're real nice. And the manager of the temple just gave me a traditional triangular, I'm not sure how to call it, sticky rice. I didn't ask for it because I already finished my lunch. I mean, I'm not hungry at all. She's still so nice, offered me the food and told me I can save for tonight, although I already have my own food. But anyway, they're still very nice, and this temple is so large. And it's for a 2D gong, it is only for 2D gong temple. And I've never seen so large one that's specifically for the god, housekeeping god. Anyway, now I am heading to Venice Beach. Well, they give it funny name, Venice Beach. I don't know how it will be like. It will be only a 15 minutes walk. The sun is brutally hot right now. I will be fine. It's only brutally hot. I hope it won't have water, drinking fountain access over there. And these few days are totally nice. Sunshine with a little bit cloudy. And people here are very nice. Much nicer than the mainland Taiwan. So see you guys at Venice Beach. Bye.